Dear students, we are discussing the play Pygmalion. This is DA third year English optional paper number 9. 20th century literature in English is the title of the paper. So we were discussing act second of the play Pygmalion, and we saw how Eliza has come to Professor Higgins, and she has a proposal for Professor Higgins. Proposal doesn't mean the marriage proposal always. This proposal is about Professor Higgins teaching of phonetics to this girl Eliza. As you know that Eliza is from very common background. She is from working class family. She is working as a florist. म्हणजे फुल विकणाऱ्या रस्त्यावर वगैरे म्हणजे फिरत. So in this way, so she has come to know about expertise of Professor Higgins in the field of phonetics. Therefore, she is willing to get training of phonetics from Professor Higgins, and she is willing to get a job in flower shop. So this is the matter, and the overall behavior is a little bit different in case of this girl, Eliza. So why is it? So why is this behavior different? Try to understand. Since she was not at all associated with upper classes, and she grew up in such an atmosphere which is like a slum, and because of which she doesn't have that much etiquette to have proper conversation and proper behavior with other people, and in this way she is completely straightforward. So her straightforward nature is completely seen in the details in the dialogues that we discussed. So we were on page number 36. So so the overall treatment given by Professor Higgins to the girl is very very heavy-handed, high-handed, as I told you. Okay. So basically, he treats people as if they are objects. Especially, he treats women in a very, very problematic manner because never ever in his life he was associated with women except two. First is his mother, and second is Mrs. Pierce. So she is also a motherly figure in the play. Mrs. Pierce is Higgins' housewife, and in this way, so he doesn't have that much. And etiquettes regarding how to behave with women, and in this way he is behaving as if, as I told him, those women are mere objects. So this is the matter, page number 36. So the girl is okay, so the girl is there with that proposal of offering some fees to Professor Higgins for that training in phonetics, and she is willing to improve her English. So in this way, they are having conversation, and overall behavior of Professor Higgins, as I told him, that behavior is not up to the mark. Okay, it is not at all appropriate behavior that one would observe. So page number 36. So Professor Higgins gives a silk handkerchief to Eliza, and she is now responding to that gesture. Eliza means Eliza. Okay. So what is this for? To wipe your eyes. Okay, so I have given this handkerchief because you should wipe your eyes with the help of this handkerchief. To wipe any part of your face that feels moist. Okay, think about this indecency. म्हणजे जो भाग म्हणजे तू चेहऱ्यावरचा तुझा ओला होईल म्हणजे तो भाग तू पुसू शकतेस. ओके, दिस बिहेवियर इज रूड. रिमेंबर दॅट इज युअर हँडकचीफ अँड दॅट इज युअर स्लीव. कुठं म्हणजे कसं काय करावं. Okay, so there are some people who wipe their nose to their sleeves. म्हणजे असं भायांना म्हणजे का नाक पुसणारे सुद्धा मंडळी भरपूर दिसतात. त्यामुळं ती भाई आहे आणि हँडकचीफ आहे. Don't mistake the one for the other if you wish to become a lady in a shop. So if you want to become a gentlewoman, if you want to get a job in a shop, at that time you should not consider handkerchief as your sleeve and sleeve as your handkerchief. So decency in your behavior is a must. Okay, so this is highly required when you want to work in a flower shop. Lisa utterly bewildered. Utterly means completely bewildered, shocked. Stares helplessly at him. Stare. ओके, एकटक पाहण्याला स्टेअर म्हणतात. मिसेस पियर्स, it's no use talking to her like that, Mr. Higgins. She doesn't understand if. So the way you are talking to that girl will not be able to understand you. Please remember this, Mr. Higgins. That woman is saying she doesn't understand if. Besides, you are quite wrong. She doesn't do it that way at all. She takes the handkerchief. You are trying to train that girl, but the thing is that she will not be able to follow your instructions. त्यामुळं म्हणजे त्या रुमालानं नाक पुसेल का काय करेल हे माहिती नाही. त्यामुळं देर इज नो यूज ऑफ गिव्हिंग दॅट हँडकचीफ. अँड इन दिस वे दॅट लेडी हॅज टेकन दॅट हँडकचीफ फ्रॉम दॅट गर्ल लिझा, स्नॅचिंग इट. स्नॅचिंग हिसकावून घेणे. ओके, सो बेसिकली दिस गर्ल इज फ्रॉम वर्किंग क्लास फॅमिली. And rather, I would say that she is from slum-like area, and because of it, overall upbringing of this girl was completely different. Okay, तर म्हणजे हे सो कॉल्ड म्हणजे वरच्या वर्गाची इटिकेट्स वगैरे असतात ना, ते इटिकेट्स म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीनं झोपडपट्टी वजा अशा एरियामध्ये म्हणजे राहणाऱ्या लोकांचे असत नाहीत. सो दिस इज द truth in case of even Eliza. Here, you give me that handkerchief. He gave it to me and not you. Think about the spelling. These are not the spelling mistakes. Deliberately, the dramatist has kept spellings different. Okay, because G.B. Shaw wanted to do revolutionary changes in English language, in the English language. Therefore, these spellings are different, and this different spelling gives details about the kind of pronunciation she has. Pickering, laughing, he did. I think I must be regarded as her property, Mrs. Pierce. So that handkerchief would be the property of that girl, Eliza. So you shouldn't take that handkerchief from that girl. Mrs. Pierce, you keep this in your mind. Mrs. Pierce, resisting herself. Sir, you're right, Mr. Higgins. So is it okay? Pickering, Higgins, I'm interested. What about the ambassador's garden party? So actually I have some interest in the proposal of this girl, and you talked about the ambassador's party. What about it? I will say you are the greatest teacher alive if you make that good. So you are the greatest teacher only if you do something like this. If you send the girl in that ambassador's party as a duchess, so I will regard you as the greatest teacher. I will bet you all the expenses. I will bet you all the expenses of the experiments if you can't do it, and I will pay for the lessons. Okay, so definitely I am willing to undertake, willing to bear expenses which will incur in case of this girls training. म्हणजे या मुलीच्या ट्रेनिंगसाठी जेवढा पैसा वगैरे लागेल ना, म्हणजे खर्च वगैरे काय ते सिलेंडर म्हणा ट्रेनिंगसाठी. ओके, cylinder in the sense this is not gas cylinder. So that cylinder is for the purpose of training. So it had come in the beginning of the act itself, and I will pay for the lessons. So I will give you that fee. Oh, you are real good. Thank you, Captain. So you are really a good person. And in this way she is thanking him. Higgins, tempted looking at her, it is almost irresistible. So this overall proposal is irresistible. Irresistible means I am not able to resist it, I am not able to avoid it. This is unavoidable. Okay, म्हणजे हे आपण टाळू शकत नाही, अशा पद्धतीचं एकंदरीत सगळं प्रपोजल वाटायला लागलेलं आहे. She is so deliciously low, so horribly dirty. Okay, think about his language. So how is this girl? She is deliciously low. म्हणजे एवढी एकंदरीत खालच्या कॅटेगरीची आहे, पण डेलिशियसली. डेलिशियस म्हणजे काय? चविष्ट. त्याला काय नेमकं म्हणायचं? ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. So horribly dirty. So this girl is absolutely dirty. She is horribly dirty. So Lisa protesting extremely. How? I ain't dirty. I washed my face and hands before I came. I did. Before I coming to you, so I have washed my hands and face. It means that regular bathing is not there in case of this girl. Okay, so it is quite clear that she doesn't bathe रेग्युलरली. बेद, BATH, बेद म्हणजे आंघोळ घालणे किंवा आंघोळ करणे. बाथ म्हणजे आंघोळ या अर्थानं. बाथ इज अ नाउन and bathe, BATHE, is a verb. Okay. So I washed my face and hands before I come. Before means before. Added Pickering, you are certainly not going to turn her head with flattery, Higgins. So because of flattery, you are not going to overall make this girl proud. म्हणजे फ्लॅटरी मीन्स स्तुती, खोटी स्तुती करून म्हणजे काय, हिला गर्विष्ठ वगैरे तर बनवणार नाहीस ना. Mrs. Pierce uneasy. Oh, don't say that, sir. There is more ways than one of turning a girl's head. Next page. And nobody can do it better than Mr. Higgins, though he may not always mean it. I do hope, sir, you won't encourage him to do anything foolish. So this is an earnest statement of Mrs. Pierce about Colonel Pickering. So please do not encourage the teacher, Professor Higgins, to do something foolish. हा माणूस काहीतरी वेगळंच भलतंच काहीतरी मूर्खपणाची ऍक्टिव्हिटी करून बसेल. तुम्ही या व्यक्तीला म्हणजे खरं तर ते करण्यासाठी पाठिंबा देऊ नका बरं, चुकीचं काही करण्यासाठी, हिगिन्स. ओके, सो दिस लेडी इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज her overall behavior with Higgins is absolutely motherly. ओके, आईसारखं तिचं एकंदरीत वागणं आहे. तिनं बोललेलं सुद्धा वाईट वाटत नाही हिगिन्सला. Becoming excited as idea grows on him. What is life but a series of inspired follies? Life is nothing but it's a cycle of follies. Folly, चूक. ओके, खरं तर आयुष्य म्हणजे दुसरं तिसरं काही नसून अशा पद्धतीनं म्हणजे एक सायकलच आहे कशाचं, चुकांचं. कशा चुका? दोज follies are being inspired. The difficulty is to find them to do. Never lose a chance. It doesn't come every day. I shall make a duchess of this draggle-tail guttersnipe. So think about his lowly language. Think about his overall attitude. So really, Professor Higgins, many a time his behavior is really mean. Try to understand what is mean by mean. मीनचा अर्थ समजून घ्या, नीच. तसं वागणं बऱ्याचदा नीच आहे. तर म्हणजे काय, आय एम रेडी टू डू दिस, सो आय विल टर्न दिस ड्रॅगल टेल गटस्नाईप. गटस्नाईप इट्स अ टाईप ऑफ डर्टी बर्ड. ओके, तर म्हणजे या म्हणजे घाणेरड्या म्हणजे मुलीला मी निश्चितपणे म्हणजे काय डचेस बनवून टाकेन. इंग्लिश एवढी छान तिला शिकवेन. लिझा स्ट्रॉंगली डेप्रिशिएटिंग दिस व्ह्यू ऑफ हर. हाऊ Higgins carried away as in 6 months, in three if she has a good ear and quick tongue. Okay, तर म्हणजे जर त्यांनी ती बऱ्यापैकी म्हणजे लक्षात ठेवणारी जर असेल, म्हणजे बोललेलं वगैरे लक्षात ठेवणारी जर असेल, तिची मेमरी चांगली जर असेल, तर निश्चितपणे हे 3च महिन्यामध्ये होईल. तसं 6 महिने म्हणतोय, पण हे 3 महिन्यामध्ये होऊ शकेल. आणि तिची बोलण्याची प्रॅक्टिस चांगली असेल तर. ओके, गुड इयर and a quick tongue, I will take her anywhere and pass her off as anything. So I will take her anywhere and I will pass this girl as anybody. Okay, तर काही म्हणून कोणीही म्हणून म्हणजे या मुलीला म्हणजे मी कुठेही म्हणजे काय खरं तर लोकांच्या समोर म्हणजे सादर करेन. लोक ओळखू शकणार नाहीत फ्रॉम वेअर दिस गर्ल हॅज कम. ओके, So this is my word. I will start today. Now this moment, take her away and take her away and clean her. Okay, basically I would train this girl, but only then I would train if she is clean. थोडं स्वच्छ करून आणा हिला in this way. Take her away and clean her, Mrs. Pierce. Monkey brand. So monkey brand is a type of cleaner that is which was used at that time. If it won't come off any other way, is there a good fire in the kitchen? तर म्हणजे काय किचनमध्ये काही म्हणजे थोडंफार म्हणजे जाळ वगैरे काय पेटवलेलं आहे का, त्याच्या मदतीनं म्हणजे हिला आपण स्वच्छ करू. ओके, थिंक अबाउट दिस. ओके, मिसेस पियर्स प्रोटेस्टिंग एस बट प्रोटेस्टिंग मीन्स ही इज रेजिस्टिंग दिस प्रपोजल. ही भाषा वगैरे विशेष करून. टेक ऑल हर क्लोथ्स ऑफ. सो मिसेस पियर्स इज बिंग इंटरप्टेड. तिच्या बोलण्यामध्येच तोडण्यात आलेलं आहे. Take all her clothes off and burn them. Think about how heavy-handed this person's treatment is. Take all her clothes off and burn them. So basically, she is a young girl. And this young girl is being treated in a very, very heavy-handed manner by Higgins. याची भाषा पहा, एकंदरीत किती कठोर आणि किती बिभत्स आहे. Take all her clothes off and burn them. Ring up Whiteley or somebody for new ones. Okay, so it might be a laundry shop or a clothes shop. Whiteley. Ring up Whiteley or somebody for new ones. Wrap her up in brown paper till they come. हिला पेपर मध्ये गुंडाळून ठेवा ब्राऊन रंगाच्या, ते कपडे तिचे नवीन येईपर्यंत. Do that. Lisa, you are no gentleman. You are talking as if you are a really indecent fellow. You are not a gentleman. So if you are talking like this to me, then overall behavior of yours is completely wrong. It is completely problematic. You are no gentleman. You are not to talk of such things. You are asking her to take my cloths away, and you are asking them to burn. So this is your mean behavior. You are not to talk of such things. I am a good girl. I am, and I know what the like of you are. I do. तुझ्यासारख्या लोकांची लायकी काय असते मला माहिती आहे. Okay, so you are talking to me in such a manner as if you are a mean fellow. So I will not tolerate this. Because I am a good girl. Indeed, she is a good girl. खरंच चांगली मुलगी आहे. ओके, सो म्हणजे गरीब म्हणजे झालं म्हणून काय झालं, म्हणजे गरिबांना म्हणजे कशाही पद्धतीनं आपण म्हणजे वागवू शकतो, हा जो उच्चभ्रू वर्गाचा म्हणजे एकंदरीत भाग आहे. सो दिस हॅज बीन फोकस्ड बाय द ड्रामॅटिस्ट इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ओके, ती माणसंच नसतात जणू. ओके, त्यांना भावभावना असत नाहीत, त्यांना कुठल्याही प्रकारची अब्रू असत नाही. ओके, पैसा नसला म्हणून काय झालं, म्हणजे या व्यक्तींना खऱ्या अर्थानं म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने वागवावं. ओके, आय एम अ गुड गर्ल. आय एम, अँड आय नो व्हॉट द लाईक ऑफ यू आर. आय डू. हिगिन्स, वी वॉन्ट नन ऑफ युअर लिसनग्रो प्रुडरी हिअर. प्रुडरी मीन्स तुझा लिसनग्रो नावाच्या एरियामधला तुझा जो शहाणपणा आहे ना, तो आम्हाला ऐकायचा नाही आहे. प्रुडरी. यंग वुमन, यू हॅव गॉट टू लर्न टू बिहेव लाईक अ डचेस. सो basically your behavior is also going to be transformed. It is going to be changed. Therefore you should speak properly. So because you should behave like a duchess. Take her away, Mrs. Pierce. If she gives any trouble, wallop her. Wallop her means hit her, HIT, or beat her. Okay, जर तिने काही गडबड जर केली ना, थोडं म्हणजे हिचा चांगला समाचार पण घ्या, सडकून काढा हिला या अर्थानं. लिझा springing up and running between Pickering and Mrs. Pierce for protection. Spring म्हणजे असं उसळी मारून उठती ती. No, I will call the police. I will. Okay, if you do any kind of it, if you do any kind of trouble, so definitely I will call the police. Mrs. Pierce, but I have no place to put her. Okay, कुठं आहे ना महिला, हिची व्यवस्था वगैरे कुठं करू. आय डोंट हॅव एनी प्लेस टू पुट दिस गर्ल. पुट हर इन द डस्टबिन. ओके, नाही कचऱ्याच्या म्हणजे डब्यात फेकून दे तिला. सो थिंक अबाउट दिस इंडिसेन्सी. हाऊ Page number 37 is over. 38. O come Higgins, be reasonable. Be reasonable means your behavior should be appropriate. Be appropriate. The way you are treating this girl, that overall way is problematic. It is not a good way. So please be reasonable. Be in control. Mrs. Pierce, resolutely, you must be reasonable, Mr. Higgins. Yes, your behavior needs to be appropriate. So, the way you are behaving with the girl, that overall behavior is not good. It is not a decent sort of behavior. Okay, so behavior it should be good. Really, you can't walk over everybody like this. म्हणजे इतर लोकांच्या भावनांना असं पायदळी तुडवणं अतिशय अयोग्य आहे, चुकीचं आहे. ओके, सो प्लीज माइंड युअर बिहेवियर. Higgins, that scold dad, subside. Scold is COLD. Scold, खरडपट्टी काढणे. आपण झापणे म्हणतो ना आपल्या भाषेत. It's like that. Higgins, the scolded, subside. So his words have subsided. मी subsideचा अर्थ सांगितलेला आहे. म्हणजे त्याची भावना तीव्र, म्हणजे त्यांनी आता कमी केलेली आहे भावनांची तीव्रता. The hurricane is succeeded by the fire of amiable surprise. हरिकेन म्हणजे खूप मोठं वादळ असतं. आता त्या वादळाचं म्हणजे काय, मंद मंद हवेमध्ये रूपांतर झाले. झेफायर म्हणजे काय, मंद हवा. ओके, स्लो विंड. झेफायर ऑफ एमिएबल सरप्राईज. एमिएबल म्हणजे चांगला या अर्थानं. तर म्हणजे त्याला वेगळ्या पद्धतीनं या ठिकाणी आश्चर्य वाटायला लागलेलं आहे. सो दिस इज समथिंग लाईक दिस. Higgins, with professional explicitness of modulation, I walk over everybody. Yes, I is Italian. I walk over everybody. मी सगळ्यांसोबत असंच वागत असतो, मला काही नाही फरक पडत. ओके, दिस इज कम्प्लिटली ट्रू इन केस ऑफ दिस फेलो. खरंच पूर्ण 100% खरं तो बोलतोय. आय वॉक ओव्हर एव्हरीबडी. माय डिअर मिसेस पियर्स, माय डिअर पिकरिंग. हो, मग दोघांना सांगू इच्छितोय की मी असंच वागत असतो. आय नेव्हर हॅड द स्लायटेस्ट इंटेन्शन ऑफ वॉकिंग ओव्हर एनिमन. आता थोडं बदलतोय. खरं तर माझ्या डोक्यात तसं कधीच असत नाही, इतरांच्या भावना पायदळी तुडवण्याचा मानस माझा कधीच असत नाही. All I propose is that I should be kind to this poor girl. We must help her to prepare and fit herself for her new station in life. स्टेशन म्हणजे काय, मंजिल म्हणतो ना आपण. खरं तर तिचं जे आयुष्यामधलं ध्येय आहे त्या ध्येयापर्यंत नेऊन पोहोचवण्यासाठी खरं तर हा सगळा प्रयत्न चाललेला आहे खटाटोप. If I did not express myself clearly, it was because I did not wish to hurt her delicacy or yours. खरं तर मी कुणालाही दुखवू इच्छित नाही. ओके, आणि त्यामुळंच म्हणजे काय, खरं तर मी अशा पद्धतीने बोललो. मी बोलत असतो त्याचा अर्थ वावगा काय काढू नये, वेगळा काय काढू नये. लिझा, reassured, steals back to her chair. म्हणजे अशी अंग चोरून परत खुर्चीमध्ये ती जाऊन बसलेली आहे. सो she is feeling to be comfortable. Okay, so for this lecture this is sufficient. So remaining matter will be discussed in the next lecture. Till then, thank you, goodbye.